Hey Flitz fans, it's Graham here with Team Flitz with another episode of
Will It Shine?
where we try to turn tarnish into terrific.
Today we have an old sword that we picked up at a recent flea market. Well, I think you can see it's not in the best of shape. Let's see if we can make this $5 investment shine. Time for a little of the Flitz paste polish. Wow, look at that oxidation and rust coming right off. Now let's protect it with some Flitz rifle gun and knife wax. Look at that shine, and the protection is given against that water. When it comes time to cleaning, polishing, and protecting your finishes, remember these two words: Flitz it.